having learned what an open statement and closed statement is, now let's classify these sentences into open statements or closed statements. Recall, an open statement is a statement where we can determine whether it is true or false, while a closed statement is the statement where we can't say for sure if it is true or false. Now let's look at these examples. We have Lagos is in Nigeria. Yes, it is in Nigeria. It is true that it's in Nigeria. We can determine that it is true. So that means this is an open statement. Now we have this 2 plus 3 equals 7. 2 plus 3 equals 7. That's wrong. 2 plus 3 is 5. It is false that 2 plus 3 equals 7 here. So that means we have been able to determine if it is true or false. So that means this is still an open statement, since we can determine if it is true or false. Now here we have x plus y equals 7. But we are not given the values of x, we are not given the values of y. X can be any value, y can be any value. So here we can determine if actually it is true that x plus y equals to 7 or false. So that means this statement is closed. So this is a closed statement. D, it says 3 is an odd number. Yes, it is true. 3 is an odd number. That means it's an open statement, since we can determine that it is true. E, mathematics is easy to pass. Now here, to some people, it is not easy. To some people, it is easy. So here, we can't really say if it is true or false. We can't say for sure if it is true or false. So that means this is a closed statement. Nigeria is a black African country. That's true. Nigeria is a black African country. So that means this is an open statement, since we can determine that it is true. And that's how to classify statements into open or closed. Thank you.